This is an iPad Air 1. Plug it to the amp meter. It's taking 0 amp. If I wiggle the charger, it's nothing. So let's test. Let's see if this replacement charging port is gonna fix the problem. So I plug it to the charge. I'm waiting to see if any jumping in amps, even if the battery not connected. Yep. So that's mean the TriStar is detecting the charger. That's why we see the amps is going up and down, because the battery is not connected. So let's connect it to the battery, and yeah, you can see it is go a little bit up and down. install the motherboard in the place and connect it to the battery. Now it's taking about 1.5 amp, and we have the battery symbol. So the iPad is charging. So this is the bad charger port. There is a crack right over there, as we did see in the microscope. So what's make that crack is these two screws here wasn't tight and the charging port was wiggly. So by the time, you know, wiggle it like that, gets cracked here. So that's what was the issue. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it till the battery charge a little bit and put the screen together and everything, and go from there. So the iPad is charging 8% now, and is ready to ship it back to the customer. You can see it's still taking over 1 amp, and that's great. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Plus subscribe. See you next one.